Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. So this is just a quick update based on triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities from Heavy Crypto Scanner. So in this video, I'm gonna take a live triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity that we saw earlier today on bybit, right? For those who are using this tool, you already know about this triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity. So in this video, I'm gonna take advantage of this. It's not a big percentage, but at least if you have at least less than 100 US dollars, you can actually make a profit. So right here you can see that I don't have USDT in my wallet, and this is a bybit sub account, and in this bybit sub account I only have like 100 US dollars, right? So this amount that I'm gonna use to take advantage of this crypto triangular arbitrage opportunity. So this is a live trade, as you can see, trading on bybit, and you know what, I'm not gonna show the triangular arbitrage opportunity right now because you guys keep on skipping these videos, don't watch the whole video. So I'm gonna leave the triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity that we spot from our heavy crypto triangular arbitrage scanner. I'm gonna leave this arbitrage opportunity at the end of this video, so you guys gonna have to check out this, right? I'm just gonna leave a picture at the end of this video so that you guys can see it as well. But other than that, let's just get right into it without wasting any time. So right now you can see that this is a bybit spot trade dashboard, and this is the trading view chart and stuff like that. So it says you have to buy XLM first, okay? That's what it says. For those who purchase or who are using heavy crypto arbitrage scanner, know about this triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity because we spotted it earlier today in the morning. Of course, it's not like crazy percentage profit, but at least you can make something out of this, okay? And bybit is very like good exchange, there's liquidity and all that good stuff, so that's why percentage is not crazy. But let's find out how much we can make with a capital of at least like $80. $80 will make sense, right? So we're gonna go ahead to spot trade just like this right here. So let's start right here. Like we should use like USDC as a return, right? So our best currency is gonna be USDC. So first it says you have to buy XLM right here, okay? And I have like $100 in USDC, okay? So you can see right here I have 99 USD, and this is what I'm going to use in this video. Now it says we have to buy XLM, and I just want to see right here. Oh, that's pumped 30%. That's crazy. So we're gonna have to buy XLM, guys, as written on our scanner right here without hesitating and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my order right here, and I want to spend $80 right here, okay? $80. By the way, at the end of this video our profit is going to be in USDT. So as you can see right here, I only have like USDC, right? USDC, this is a sub account, as you can see right here, okay? So I only have like coins in USDC, and you can see that I made this deposit today for the sake of this video. Also, yeah, we have to be clear, right? So let me go back right here to USDC because we have our cash in USDC, and I'm just following the instructions of our scanner right here, crypto scanner, a best scanner on internet right now, if you ask me. So we're buying XLM right now, okay? Here it is, and it's just gonna load right here. My internet is very slow, right? So I'm gonna put right here 80 like this, and you can see the market is decreasing right now, so it makes sense for me to put a limit order right now without rushing and all that stuff, okay? So I'm just gonna put my order just below the current price, okay? So here's the current price. I'm just gonna put it right here, or right here it's gonna go through. Even right here it's gonna go through, okay? Let's buy, and you can see right here that I'm spending 79, almost like $80, right? We have to spend $80 straight. to avoid questions and stuff like that at the end of this video. So let's see, yeah, right there, put the order. Let's just wait a little bit and it's gonna get filled. Okay, here's my order, you can see right there, and we're just waiting for it. You can see that it's taking time, so I'm just gonna use the market order right now because it's taking time. I want to do this as quick as possible, so I'm gonna spend 80 like this, and we're using a market order trading right here on bybit. Okay, so with market order, you can see that I'm spending like 79.98 worth of USD, and I'm gonna get I'm gonna get 870 worth of XLM. What happened right there? Cause like when I do this right here, it said I'm gonna get at least, oh okay, my bad, I'm gonna get 870 worth of XLM, right? So I'm gonna go use a market order and let's spend 80, right, like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and click buy XLM. Boom, right? So you can see that we even buy lower, because you can see that we got at least 79 worth of XLM. Okay, so now we have XLM. Our next step, it was to sell XLM to BTC. That was our next step, right? For those who followed the arbitrage, or who are still taking advantage of this arbitrage opportunities on bybit. Okay, I mean, it's not crazy percentage profit, but it's actually better than nothing. Okay, so now we have XLM. Our next step is to sell it to BTC. Okay, so I'm gonna go look for XLM BTC, and you can see that it has pumped at least 1.22% within 24 hours, and this is what we're going to do, right? And here's our XLM. You saw this amount earlier today when I was buying this amount, don't get it twisted right there. So right now we're gonna have to sell this to BTC. all right, and I think this is where arbitrage opportunity comes in, because if I click 100% right here, worth of 871 XLM sold to BTC. And guys, this is where triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity is coming from, because you can see the same amount of XLM right here, and the same amount of BTC that we're selling at is worth 84 US dollars. All right, so selling XLM to BTC is gonna give us 84 USD. all right, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and sell this XLM to BTC, because this is a BTC that I'm gonna get, and you saw that we bought this amount of XLM right there. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and click sell like this, and now you can see that our order, we just sold XLM to BTC. all right, now you can see that our balance is 0.04348 and etc. So right now all I have to do is to sell this bitcoins that we bought right here to USDT. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead right there and go to USDT and click right here. all right, now damn, this was crazy. This is 1 hour candle, bro. Damn, bro, this is crazy, bro. Let me see, this is crazy. 3%, that's crazy. That's why our profit has decreased as well. So now I'm gonna have to sell this BTC to USDT, since this, you can see that our BTC is decreasing and stuff like that. But this doesn't mean I should close my long position on my other account right there. You can see that is sitting at 130,000 dollars in profit. I mean, I love speaking about it. So since BTC has been decreasing, now you can see that our profit has been taken out. It was actually 84, you saw earlier, right? And right now it's actually 82 right here, and we spent at least 79, if I'm not mistaken, 79 USDC, right? And right now we're selling at 82 right there to USDT. So so far we have made at least 2.5 USDC, USDT. But then according to this triangular crypto opportunities on Bybit, we're supposed to make at least 85, 86. But then since Bitcoin has been decreasing, and it has taken our profits. But anyway, we have made at least 2.5 USDT, all right. And we had to make at least 5 USD, but because of this dump, we have it has taken our profits. Now it's 82 right here. But if Bitcoin was just consolidating just like a normal market, our profit would remain the same right there, 85 or 84 USD, right, making at least like $4 US. So right here you can see that right now is Bitcoin is trading at 23,700. By the time I was recording at that time, it was trading around 24,200, somewhere else there. So that's why our profit has been taken away. I don't want to see comments and messages on Telegram saying, "Hey, you say that you're going to make 4 USD profits, and now you have made 2 USD profit." Now you can see right here. This is crazy, guys. So this is it. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and sell this BTC to USDT and take my profit. All right, so thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoy these live videos, make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, and the link to our heavy crypto scanner is going to be in the description below as well. So right now all I have to do is to click 100% like this and sell it to USDT, and you can see that I've only made like 2.5 cents right here instead of making $4, just like what we saw earlier. But then I was busy explaining to you and stuff like that, and this is the reason why I'm saying that these crypto opportunities don't last actually from 15 to 20 minutes. All right, so do not attack me on that. I made it clear right here for everyone. So I'm going to sell this 100% and take my $2 profit. But then our profit is supposed to be $4, but because of this crazy volatile market, it has taken our profit. So I'm going to sell like this, and boom, and right now we have just made a profit of 2 USD right here. Okay, and plus on top of that, don't forget that I actually paid at least like 79 worth of BTC back right there. Okay, and I even pay some fees and stuff like that. So yeah, do not attack me on that. So right now, this is it. My name is Arthur. I just wanted to make this quick live triangle arbitrage that someone requested. They told me that I should try it on Bybit and scan arbitrage opportunities on Bybit. So there's so much liquidity on Bybit, and this is actually like the best triangular arbitrage I found at that time before this dump and stuff like that. So this is it. I tried it on Bybit and it's working as well. Our next video, we're gonna try it on, I don't know, leave an exchange in the description below where we think we can try out and see how much we can make from at that exchange with a capital of at least $100 or even $1,000. We can do that as well. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll see you into the video. Love and peace, my friends. And if you want to take advantage of these triangular crypto opportunities, get Heavy Crypto scanner. And if you want to take your trading game to another level, I recommend that you check out Heavy Crypto Academy as well. And the links to all these exchanges gonna be in the description below. And if you want to watch our first video of Heavy Crypto scanner, check out on our channel. The link is gonna be in the description as well. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, my friends.